Lamlai Village Volunteer Force has blocked Imphal-Ukhrul road, demanding replacement of Jat Regiment with state force. Women folk blocked Sawumbung to Lamlai Road, Yobung, Nungoi, Pungdongbam sector, Tongkong and Karasol today. According to Secretary of Sawumbung Apunba Mairapaibilup, Ahantem Ilto, stated that the Central Forces stationed at various locations in Imphal East District, including the hill slopes of Sanasabi and Gwaltabi, have been acting in a biased manner, which has eroded public trust. She informed that the blockade will continue until their demands are met. However, exemptions will be made for students, medical emergencies, media personnel, and essential services.
Sanasabi, Gwaltabi, Mafam station, state post, Changbang, the Bagi Pibam, the Labor Sida, Central Post, Mahut Silaga, State Post, Tambu, Hibigi, Kongjang, Assistant Jariba say, Mamang the Sukayara Hana, State Post, Tambu, Hina, Kayara, Hana, Hijack Ravani, Adubo, Madugi, Tazabado, Akoida, Nasibo, Pibi, Rakabagi Maram, Oiraga, Kongjang, Sankan Zabani. Mang the Kayara Hanawari, Sanaki, the lady, Adubongasing, Asimaxu, Kogi DG Lakana, SP Lakana, Koi Emilega Puna, Kogi Hadiba, LK, BDF Siga. Punna Huji Wari Sanari, Hibagi Pausu Pangjaikwa. The Makogi Wari Sanariba Asigi, Dangtaba, Ayaba, Amadi Yadaba, Habana Singba, Wari say, like I sing the book, the Akonjanga, Kiroi Hana, Panjari Bene.